So we've got a crew of people madly preparing for the second Blue to Blue Drone Film Festival. We started the festival back in 2015. It's the first drone film festival in Australia, and this is its second year now. The finalist screening and awards night here at Avoca Beach Picture Theatre. We've got some amazing films from all over the world, and we've managed to whittle down a selection of finalists. This evening's been brought together with some sponsorship from Central Coast Council, UAV Air, Hipshot Films, Blackmagic Design, Phaser FPV and Sky Tango, and of course Avoca Beach Picture Theatre.
I'm Ashley from UAV Air, and we do drone training, so we teach people how to fly drones professionally. And we're here tonight because some of the entrants in the competition have done a really great job, and we're one of the sponsors of that, and we want to support people moving into the industry.
Yeah, so these are FPV drones. FPV means first person view, so we're looking through the little camera and we're actually flying them out of the view of the copter. Put these goggles on and you see exactly what the copter is seeing, and then you control that out of the perspective of the model.
The racing drones can go up to 200 kilometers an hour in a couple of seconds, so they got more G-force than Formula One cars.
Yeah, we've currently got six drone pilots qualified, and we're about to put through another 10 in the off-season. So we'll have drones out, on the beaches every weekend on a roster system, and available for any emergency call-outs.
So it's a sold out performance here this evening at Avoca Beach Picture Theatre, and we're just really looking forward to showcasing just a fantastic and inspirational crop of films from Australia and all around the world. It's going to be a great night.